All right, guys. Good evening, everyone. It's Noah once again. So, this the 12, right? 100 days of technical day 13. Sorry, 100 days of technical analysis challenge, and I'll just do a quick recap on USDCAD. USDCAD Perfecto. This is exactly what the analysis I made. Sadly, I missed this trade. I wasn't in this trade. Actually, I was in it from 1.355. Then I adjusted my stop loss to break even. Then price just came, boom, took me out. And then just exactly where our entry was, activated it, and then just reversed back quickly. Now I'm anticipating, and I'm hoping that price does this, comes back here again, gives me a second entry, and I will gladly take it. I will shoot it to the moon. And that's a good almost 200 pips. As you can see now, price is forming an ascending triangle. This is a good confluence for me, and I like it. Like, I love it. So my next target might be potentially here, up here, or I'm just going to use this daily level. So I just hope this plays out perfectly as I want it to be. All right. Next thing, today I'm going to do a little plot twist. I will be entering into cryptocurrencies. See whether I can spot any setup for any setup within the week. So I'll be looking at Ethereum. No, not you, please. ETH, USDT, Binance. Yeah, Ethereum. The current price for Ethereum is 227. Right, that's good. So, as always, top-down analysis. Top-down analysis on Ethereum USD. First things first, let's go. We have level 1, boom, this week right here. Also, Confluence we have this week right here, but maybe we can just make it like this. Yeah, pretty much. This week is good. This week is good. This week is also good. Let's look at the monthly. Okay, the previous candlestick, we can see what 1, 2. I'll call this a double bottom. 1, 2, boom. Price rejected this level. 1, 2, 4, and then boom, shot back up. We also have this double bottom here on the 3 months time frame. 1, 2. So probably we are seeing Ethereum fly back up to this level. All right, so by the ending of June, if this candlestick can close like this, we can this is more or less a morning star 1, 2, 3, and then this is the 3 months candle, quarterly time frame. So if price does this, then maybe we can potentially see Ethereum come back up to 293, and from 293 we can even see 450, which is crazy. Currently now Ethereum is 227. I'm expecting 450 on Ethereum, 450 by next quarter, by after once June ends, by July, 450. That's the level to expect Ethereum at. Well, let's just go down and break it. Let's still dig into the chart, see how far, see whether we can find a good trade. So currently long on Ethereum, we have this level here. We have this one right here. This 288366, and as always, should we use this level? There's my 450. Okay, not really good spike right there. However, we can make use of this level 5515, but it's too far away. Let's use 418, and then 515, as the case may be, 500. Yeah, so that's that. Down to our daily. On our daily time frame. Wow, this is beautiful. We can see we are just in a smooth sailing uptrend, and potentially we can actually enter this trade. We're in a smooth sailing uptrend. Now, someone might see this kind of this trend line and say, okay, we've got a breakout of the trend line, probably get to a retest continuation, but nah, that's not it. I won't add this trend line just yet. we can see this trend line, sure, but then price structure is still very bullish. We are still very bullish on this, on Ethereum. So unless price takes out this structural level right here, then we are still in bullish territory. We are still in a bullish market. What I can potentially see is maybe is a break of this structure. This was a structure also. A breakout. This is now the retest. We've had the retest one, probably coming down for another retest, as the case may be, and probably we might be shooting back up to 288, which is very good, very good, very good trade. Now we have, although we have a minor level, knowing how well the crypto market is, this can either be a dump and a pump. Potentially, price can actually dump down here, do some weak fishing, take out orders, come back to this level. I'm not a full-fledged crypto trader, but then I know of weak fishing. I know that the craziness of the crypto market. Price can potentially maybe come here, fill up orders, still take off liquidity, and then boom, go back up again. So maybe we can wait for a reversal, or we'll just go down lower to see what the market has for us. So that's it. Daily, we have that level right there. We also have this level, but it's all catered with the weekly. But for just bias sake, we can just put it there. But it's all catered on the weekly. So on the 4 hour, as you can see, we are bearish. We are pretty much bearish. One, two, but this is more or less like a flag, if you will, a descending flag. Sorry, yeah, a channel, if you will. That aside, this is one big massive. Is it a descending triangle I'm seeing right here? Probably. Maybe this might be a descending triangle, which means that we might get, like I said, maybe a pump and a dump back to 190, 200, as the case may be. Just a weak fishing. Price can spike down below, maybe somewhere around this level to probably 200, and then reverse quickly. Who knows? I mean, if there's anything is possible in this market, in any market at all. Or maybe we can even come back down to this structural level right here to test it, pick up orders, 183, and then boom, shoot back up to 288. Whichever one, we are going to be ready for it, as the case may be. All right, so currently now, okay, this would be a potential head and shoulder, but then there's a small issue here on Ethereum. 237, this level right here hasn't been broken. To be safe, if you want to trade this, you can wait for a clear breakout or retest, and then a swift, smooth selling continuation back up to 288. That's going to be a good trade for you. If not, you can patiently wait. If not, you want to be aggressive, you can enter your buy here, but then you just have to know that in everything, to be safe, your stops have to be below here, because this can actually still sink, uh, as the case may be. It can still sink. All right. On the 1 hour, we'll go down to the 1 hour. The 1 hour, we see, okay, we see this. We see this is a wedge of some ish. So maybe this is um this might be a potential reversal, but until price takes out this 237, I have no plans of buying Ethereum yet. For me to buy, I'll wait patiently for it to fall down to 185. Then I can happily buy, or 200 this level. I'll buy. My stops will be around 170, and then I can now ride this pair back up to 288. But if it's still ranging in this level and doesn't break above, I ain't gonna buy it. No, 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 sir. But if it breaks above, buy it, retest 235. My stops will be down here, maybe 218, as the case may be. Here's my risk reward tool. If we break above here, come back for a retest. Yeah. Wow, 288 is actually a long way up. Stops can be just read right here. Yeah, maybe 224, 224. That's it. A good one is the 3.5 risk reward ratio, which is perfectly good. So this is my opinion on Ethereum USD. Just a bit of plot twist. I decided to just jump into crypto since the market is not really, forex market is not really open. So that's it for me on it on Ethereum. Unless price breaks above 237, I'm not buying. I won't even pay attention to any PA that's going on around here. All this flaying noise, basically. I won't buy. The second opinion for me to buy is if price can actually dump down to this level. If it does, I'll be so happy to buy it from down here, pick it up, and then take it back up again. So that's it for me. Thank you very much for staying around and for listening to me. All right. So this is my opinion. It's USD. Thank you very much. God bless.